How's it going, everyone? JojanPlays here. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step installation guide for the Stove PC client of Crossfire. Go to the official website of Crossfire Philippines. I'll put the link down the description. Open your browser and search Crossfire PH Stove. Click the first link, hover your cursor, Stove Game, and then click Crossfire. And click on the Stove Client Download button. Click the Install Client for Windows button to start downloading the installer. Run the installer after downloading and click Yes when prompted to make changes on your PC. The Stove PC Client installation window will pop up to start the installation. Click Next to proceed with the installation. The system will ask you to choose the location on where to install the stove launcher. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you may open the stove launcher to run Crossfire. Opening Crossfire through Stove Launcher. Log in to the Stove Launcher by entering your account details. Once logged in, select Crossfire on the upper left corner, then click Install to start installing Crossfire on your PC. Choose the location on where you want to install Crossfire, then click Next to start the installation. Once the installation is finished, you may now start playing Crossfire by clicking the Play button. If Crossfire is already installed on a different location, Stove Launcher will give you the option to find the game folder through the Game Add function. It will ask you to find the current location of your Crossfire client in your PC. Click Find to add your Crossfire folder. Once the path of the folder is correct, click the Game Add button to correct the game path of Crossfire. Once added, you may now start playing Crossfire by clicking the Play button. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gaming guides. Enjoy playing Crossfire.